At Ice Age Meals, we've got 3 new meals. This next one is one of my favoritas. Up next are our
Paleo pork carnitas. Woo!
Keep it paleo. Okay, I got a whisk. What we're gonna do is start out by making a spice mixture in here. We've got our Cheechako Tako. Go ahead and dump that whole bottle.
The whole thing.
The whole thing. And then we've got a pork shoulder, pork butt. You can get this at like Sam's or Costco or even at your local, what's your grocery store called?
I mean, I would go to Sam's probably for this.
Okay. And then we're gonna make a mixture. Go ahead and grab the whisk. I'm gonna dump in, this is apple cider vinegar. So about 1 cup each, apple cider vinegar and water. You smell that?
Yeah.
Powerful, boom. We're making like just a wet marinade here. We're gonna get this baby rubbed down and then we'll marinate it for 2 days. Okay. Now take that into there.
Oh.
Now how many pounds? Like being a weight lifter, what do you think you have there?
It's a good 5 pounds.
5 pounds. And then I think there's a part in here where the bone was, if you want to kind of get some spice in there. Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Meat flap. Boom. Nice. Looks good, Kel.
Thank you.
Rock that. So what we're gonna do, like I said, leave this to marinate for 2 days. You can go ahead and throw your gloves, and then I'll swap that with this one. So now we've had this one marinating for 2 days. We're going to throw it in the crock pot. And then we'll scrape all of this goodness on top.
Would you cover it when it's marinated? Like it goes in the fridge or it sits out? It goes in the fridge.
Yeah, it goes in the fridge and then throw some plastic wrap on it. That'll work. Or if you have a large Tupperware with like a lid, that's cool. Go ahead and throw the lid on there for me. We'll go on low. I'd probably cook this overnight, set it on a sheet pan in case it kind of bubbles over a little bit.
Okay.
Low for 12 hours, and check this out. Ready? There we go. Boom. Nice and tender. How's it smell?
Apart. It smells good. Looks good.
Go ahead and grab those tongs there. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Nice and tender. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on shredding this, and we're gonna make our salsa roja that's gonna go on the top. Boom. If you wanna take these tomatoes, cut them in half, and throw them in that pot.
Just in half.
Yeah, just in half. We'll boil those up quickly. Super easy sauce. Go ahead and throw them in there and then we'll cover them with water. There you go, and then I'll cut this. Got 1 serrano in there. That should be good right there. Pinch of salt. And go ahead and crank that on high. Okay, Kel, what do you think? Tomatoes are looking good?
I think so.
Yeah, nice and soft. The skin's kind of separating. Go ahead and cut the heat.
Is a little water okay?
Yeah. We're gonna end up pouring that in here to kind of adjust the consistency of the salsa. Throw this on. Let's see how that is.
It's really high up there.
Need a boost?
I got tippy toes.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna plate this up. We just got 1 pre-cooked yam here. We'll show you guys how we do it here in the kitchen, and then we'll also plate up 1 like we're gonna eat it right now.
Okay.
We're making this in our home. So there we have it, you guys, our pork carnitas. A little bit of prep, a little bit of work involved, but overall, this much meat will make about 16 meals,
Whoa.
16 portions. Get your crock pot out, give this one a shot. Thanks for tuning in. And as always, Kelly and I here helping you
Keep it paleo.